Titanium watches are built different. They're 45% lighter than steel, stronger, scratch-resistant, and virtually indestructible. These aren't timepieces you'll replace in a few years, they're heirlooms that will outlast you. From deep-sea diving to everyday wear, titanium thrives where other metals fail. Here are 10 watches engineered to last forever. Number 10. Tissot PRX Powermatic 80 Titanium. The Tissot PRX Powermatic 80 Titanium brings accessible luxury to the world of titanium watchmaking without compromising on quality or style. This Swiss-made timepiece features a sleek integrated bracelet design that recalls the golden age of 1970s watch design while incorporating thoroughly modern materials and movement technology. The Grade 2 titanium case measures a versatile 40 mm in diameter, making it suitable for virtually any wrist size, while the slender profile ensures it slides effortlessly under shirt cuffs for professional settings. At the heart of this watch beats the Powermatic 80 automatic movement, offering an impressive 80-hour power reserve that keeps your watch running through entire weekends without wearing. The sunburst blue dial catches light beautifully, creating depth and visual interest that rivals watches costing significantly more. Applied indices and hands ensure excellent legibility in various lighting conditions, while the date window at 3 o'clock adds practical functionality. The integrated titanium bracelet features a butterfly clasp with push-button release, providing both security and comfort throughout long wear sessions. Water resistance reaches 100 meters, making this watch suitable for swimming and water sports. Number 9. Citizen ProMaster Titanium Automatic Diver. The Citizen ProMaster Titanium Automatic Diver represents Japanese engineering excellence applied to professional diving instruments. This robust timepiece utilizes Citizen's proprietary super titanium, which undergoes a special hardening process that makes it 5 times harder than stainless steel while maintaining titanium's characteristic lightweight properties. The 44mm case provides commanding wrist presence without the excessive weight typically associated with dive watches of this size, making it comfortable for all-day wear both above and below the waves. ISO-compliant dive watch features include a unidirectional rotating bezel with clear minute markings, luminous hands and indices charged with superluminova for exceptional underwater visibility, and an impressive 200-meter water resistance rating suitable for serious recreational diving. The automatic movement inside features Citizen's reliable caliber with both hand-winding and hacking seconds capabilities, ensuring precise time setting and convenient manual winding when needed. The black dial provides maximum contrast against the bright markers, while the day-date complication adds practical everyday functionality. The titanium bracelet includes both standard links and micro-adjustment capability in the clasp, allowing wearers to achieve the perfect fit even as wrist size fluctuates throughout the day due to temperature and activity changes. Number 8. Tissot PRX Powermatic 80 Titanium. The Tissot PRX Powermatic 80 Titanium earns another spot in our countdown because its exceptional combination of vintage-inspired aesthetics and contemporary titanium construction makes it a standout value in modern watchmaking. This integrated bracelet sports watch captures the essence of 1970s design while incorporating materials and technology that simply weren't available during that golden era of watch design. The slim 10.9mm case thickness makes this one of the most comfortable titanium watches available, virtually disappearing on the wrist despite the 40mm diameter providing adequate visual presence. The Grade 2 titanium used throughout the case and bracelet offers natural hypoallergenic properties, making this an excellent choice for individuals with sensitive skin who experience irritation from stainless steel watches. The automatic Powermatic 80 movement inside represents Swiss watchmaking tradition at its finest, featuring a silicone balance spring for enhanced anti-magnetic properties and improved long-term accuracy. The movement's 80-hour power reserve means you can remove this watch on Friday evening and put it back on Monday morning with no need for resetting. The sunray finish dial creates mesmerizing light play that adds visual depth and interest far beyond what you'd expect at this price point. Applied indices rather than printed markers add a touch of refinement and improved durability as they won't fade or wear away with time. Number 7. Garmin Mark Gen 2 Titanium Smartwatch. The Garmin Mark Gen 2 titanium smartwatch represents the pinnacle of where traditional watch craftsmanship meets cutting-edge technology. Unlike typical smartwatches that feel disposable and dated within a few years, the Mark Gen 2 uses grade 5 titanium throughout its 46mm case, creating a luxury smartwatch that looks and feels like a serious timepiece rather than a temporary gadget. The sapphire crystal display combines modern AMOLED touchscreen technology with always-on capability, ensuring the watch face remains visible without draining the battery unnecessarily. Garmin has engineered this titanium smartwatch to deliver up to 16 days of battery life in smartwatch mode, addressing one of the primary complaints about competing smartwatch platforms that require nightly charging. The AMOLED display provides stunning clarity with vivid colors and deep blacks, making both watch faces and fitness data incredibly easy to read in any lighting condition. Advanced health and fitness tracking capabilities include wrist-based heart rate monitoring, pulse oximeter for blood oxygen saturation readings, stress tracking, sleep analysis, and comprehensive workout tracking for dozens of activity types. Built-in GPS with multi-GNSS support ensures accurate tracking during outdoor activities without needing your smartphone nearby. Number 6. Grand Seiko SBGA 211 Snowflake. The Grand Seiko SBGA 211, affectionately known as the Snowflake among collectors, represents Japanese haute horlogerie at its absolute finest. This 41mm titanium masterpiece showcases Grand Seiko's proprietary spring drive movement technology, which combines the best attributes of mechanical and quartz movements into something entirely unique. The spring drive. Caliber 9R65 delivers the smooth sweeping seconds hand motion of a mechanical watch while achieving quartz-level accuracy of plus or minus 1 second per day, creating an almost supernatural glide across the dial that mesmerizes anyone who sees it in person. The dial texture deserves its own recognition, as the intricate pattern evokes fresh powder snow on Japanese mountains, catching and reflecting light in ways that photographs simply cannot capture adequately. Grand Seiko's master craftsmen apply this texture through a specialized process that creates subtle depth and visual interest that reveals itself differently throughout the day as lighting conditions change. The titanium case undergoes Grand Seiko's signature Zaratsu polishing, a technique that creates distortion-free mirror surfaces unlike anything achieved by standard polishing methods. The 72-hour power reserve ensures the spring drive movement maintains its mesmerizing glide through entire weekends. Number 5. Casio G-Shock MRG Titanium. The Casio G-Shock MRG Titanium Collection represents the absolute pinnacle of Casio's legendary shock-resistant watch technology, wrapped in premium materials and finishing techniques. These watches utilize Casio's proprietary Cobarion titanium alloy, which provides exceptional hardness and corrosion resistance beyond standard titanium grades. Each MRG watch undergoes multiple advanced finishing processes, including diamond-like carbon coating on high-wear areas, creating a timepiece that combines G-Shock's legendary toughness with luxury watch-level finishing quality. The case construction incorporates Casio's triple-layer shock-resistant structure, protecting the module inside from impacts that would destroy lesser watches. Advanced features include multi-band 6 atomic timekeeping that automatically syncs with radio signals from 6 transmission stations worldwide, ensuring accuracy anywhere you travel. Tough solar power generation means the battery charges from any light source, eliminating battery replacement needs throughout the watch's lifetime. The sapphire crystal receives anti-reflective coating for enhanced legibility, while the titanium case and bracelet undergo mirror and hairline finishing that rivals luxury Swiss timepieces. Number 4. TAG Heuer Aquaracer Professional 300 Titanium. The TAG Heuer Aquaracer Professional 300 Titanium brings Swiss luxury dive watch excellence into the realm of modern materials science. This 43mm professional diver utilizes Grade 2 titanium throughout its construction, delivering the robustness required for serious underwater adventures while maintaining the comfort necessary for all-day wear. The unidirectional rotating bezel features a black ceramic insert with precise minute markers, providing both scratch resistance and optimal legibility for timing dives. TAG Heuer's signature 12-sided bezel design offers excellent grip even with dive gloves, while the angular case profile creates distinctive visual character that sets aquaracer models apart from competing dive watches. Inside beats TAG Heuer's Caliber 5 automatic movement, based on the reliable Sellita SW200 platform with modifications to meet TAG Heuer's quality standards. The movement provides 38 hours of power reserve and includes both hand-winding and hacking seconds capabilities for convenient operation and precise time setting. The black dial features applied indices filled with super luminova in vibrant green, creating exceptional visibility in low-light and underwater environments. A date window at 3 o'clock adds practical functionality, while the sword-style hands maintain perfect legibility against the dial. The screw-down crown features protective crown guards that prevent accidental adjustment while providing additional impact protection. Number 3. Longines Spirit Titanium. The Longines Spirit Titanium collection celebrates the brand's aviation heritage while incorporating modern materials that would have amazed pioneering aviators. This 42mm pilot's watch features Grade 2 titanium construction throughout, creating an incredibly comfortable timepiece that wears far lighter than its substantial dimensions suggest. The design pays homage to Longines' historic role in aviation and polar exploration, with bold Arabic numerals and cathedral-style hands ensuring optimal legibility even in challenging conditions. The dial layout emphasizes clarity and functionality, with generous application of super luminova, ensuring nighttime readability that served pilots well throughout Longines' storied aviation history. Inside operates the Longines Caliber L888.4, an automatic movement based on the excellent ETA platform with extended power reserve, reaching 72 hours through the incorporation of a silicon balance spring. This movement achieves KOSC chronometer certification, guaranteeing accuracy within strict tolerances of -4 to +6 seconds per day. The silicon balance spring provides anti-magnetic properties that protect accuracy even in magnetically saturated modern environments. The titanium case undergoes both polished and brushed finishing, creating visual depth and helping disguise the inevitable minor scratches that accumulate during active wear. A sapphire crystal caseback allows viewing of the decorated movement, while the screw-down crown ensures water resistance reaches 100 meters for everyday durability. Number 2. Omega Seamaster Planet Ocean Titanium. The Omega Seamaster Planet Ocean Titanium stands as one of the world's most capable professional dive watches, combining Swiss luxury watchmaking with materials engineered for extreme environments. This 43.5mm titanium dive watch utilizes Grade 2 titanium for the case and bracelet, dramatically reducing weight compared to the stainless steel version while actually improving corrosion resistance in saltwater environments. The unidirectional rotating bezel features a black ceramic insert with orange rubber for the first 15 minutes, providing both visual interest and enhanced functionality for timing safety stops during ascents. Omega's legendary attention to detail shows throughout, with the helium escape valve at 10 o'clock allowing saturation divers to safely decompress without damaging the watch. Inside operates Omega's master chronometer Caliber 8900, representing current state-of-the-art in mechanical watchmaking. This movement achieves master chronometer certification from Metas, requiring it to maintain accuracy between 0 and +5 seconds per day, even after exposure to magnetic fields exceeding 15,000 Gauss. The coaxial escapement reduces friction and extends service intervals, while the 60-hour power reserve ensures the watch runs through entire weekends. The black dial features applied hour markers filled with white super luminova, while the minute and hour hands receive orange accents that enhance legibility and inject personality. A date window at 6 o'clock maintains symmetry while adding practical functionality. Number 1. Tudor Pelagos 42 Titanium. The Tudor Pelagos 42 Titanium claims our top position as the ultimate indestructible titanium watch you can actually purchase and wear every day. This 42mm professional dive watch represents Tudor's commitment to creating purpose-built tool watches that prioritize function over fashion while still maintaining elegant design sensibility. The Grade 2 titanium case and bracelet create what many consider the most comfortable dive watch ever made, with weight so minimal you'll forget you're wearing a 500-meter dive watch. Tudor manufactures this watch to commercial saturation diving standards, incorporating a helium escape valve that allows the watch to decompress safely during chamber diving operations. The unidirectional rotating bezel features a matte black ceramic insert with luminous markers, providing optimal legibility in zero-visibility underwater environments. Inside operates Tudor's in-house manufacture caliber MT562, a robust automatic movement developed entirely by Tudor, featuring a silicon balance spring for anti-magnetic properties and a non-magnetic nickel phosphorus escapement. The movement achieves impressive accuracy through COS chronometer certification, while the 70-hour power reserve ensures the watch maintains accuracy through long weekends. The matte black dial creates maximum contrast with the large square hour markers, each filled with generous amounts of blue glowing superluminova. These titanium watches represent the ultimate in durability and craftsmanship. Whether you choose Swiss precision or Japanese innovation, you're investing in a timepiece that will serve you for decades and beyond. Pick your favorite, wear it daily, and pass it down. That's the titanium promise.